It's okay.
Every once in a while, when I drink or eat something, I get this like insanely sharp pain in my chest. Oh
Well,
well.
that's a good thing. You might want to not mention that to your doctor. Just
Yeah, yeah, that's what I thought.
for your own
You
well-being.
know, I can't even go to my doctor. Why? Because I don't have my insurance card. My parents do. And my parents said
Where's
that they're not going to take me to the doctor anymore.
how, how old are you?
18, and
And
they don't want to
you
give
don't
me.
have your insurance card. Your parents do.
Well, yeah, they're too lazy to give it to me.
That's
Dude, I got my laziness from somewhere.
there's a legality in there somewhere.
What?
Legality or some legal
Maybe.
issues in there somewhere.
Maybe. My dad's a cop, though. Whatever.
They're not.
Maybe I should go with my classic thing. I'm in culinary. I don't need to worry about it.
You're never mind. Didn't your teacher, cut his thumb off in class, teaching you how to use knives,
Almost cut the tip of his thumb off. Yeah,
teaching you how to use knives?
teaching me how to
The,
cut the mushrooms, or the way that
the,
he wanted the mushrooms cut.
the man teaching you how to handle sharp objects cut his finger off while teaching you how to use sharp
Yeah,
objects.
my other teachers were making fun of him for it too.
You might want to get that insurance card soon. Just saying.
Lee, you're on the surface, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm fishing again.
Is my dog still up there?
Wait, Devontae,
No.
Devontae, are you recording?
No. My computer can't even handle fraps.
Are you playing? How old's your computer, bro?
It's new. It's just crappy.
Okay. I meant fences all the way around.
I didn't have enough. I didn't feel like making anymore.
Whatever.
It's fine. If you're careful.
Holy
It's mainly
shit!
just this. It's mainly just this you want to block off right here.
Man, that's why I almost ran into lava.
Because you're dumb.
That's your fault.
Yeah, probably is.
I have 7 fish, so I'm gonna go cook. I also relit the fire.
Okay. That's good. They need to make like shish kebabs or something.
You put some freaking half steps on there. So,
Remember? Oh no, you didn't have it. We tried to play on my server.
Something's right here. What?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm dying of starvation.
Uh,
Do you guys want me to bring you some fish down there when it's done cooking?
I'm coming to you.
I'm currently looking for iron.
I'm almost dead. I'm almost dead.
Fish is in the
What we need is we need
furnace.
to find a cave. You guys know where a cave is?
No.
Okay, because any cave would be lovely right now.
Aw, my doggy's dead. Probably.
Your dog's dead? Did you murder him for food? I told you not to.
Wasn't there a dog in the cave with you guys?
I don't think so.
No, we heard it barking, but
I've heard it working.
it probably...
I saw one. It was sitting down somewhere.
Really? In the cave?
Yeah, with you guys. I'll go find it. Oh, you just standing in the entry. Chowing on a watermelon.
Yeah, I'm gonna make this little pathway a little more knit up so I don't ambush my...
Stop.
Yeah.
Yeah, here it is. It's right here.
Dog.
The dog's right here.
How the hell are you over there?
He missed you.
Murder him. Push him in the lava. Like you did to my dogs.
Can you not get up there?
My first
that was
dog we had
fire.
to murder because Lee decided, hey, let's do the great idea of just hitting you. So your dog gets
I
pissed
wanted
at
to fish for Austin's. I needed a new one, so I tried to catch it.
I'm gonna go mine with my dog.
you. I want a cat so I can make mine cat again.
Mine cat. Mine turtle.
It sounds like you're speaking German. It's mine cat.
Mine cats. It's not angry enough.
Mine cats!
Yes, yeah.
Oh, the German YouTubers.
Oh
Yeah,
god,
they're all
oh
gonna be
god.
pissed. They're all gonna be pissed at me now.
Dude, I am like the
We
racist
don't got
person.
sound that's angry.
I actually, dude, you had a really thick fishing line. I saw that thing, it hasn't even changed. Saw that thing from like so far away.
Why are you looking at the thickness, bruh?
I'm gonna go cut. Hello. Hello.
I found 5 iron.
That's good. Ow! Dick.
I have it, Austin. Let's go for a walk. Let's go. No.
Found more iron.
Unhook me. Unhook me.
Shut up, dog.
Alright, wait, time out. First off,
Yeah, I'm finding all the iron.
that's good. That's good. Did you find... Oh, what's it called?
What?
A cave.
No.
Okay, that's what I'm on the hunt for right now.
We don't want to find a cave. Not prepared.
Oh
for
my
the
god,
monsters.
Devonta, you dick.
I hear the music. I hear the cave music.
Okay,
I hear
that's
it.
good.
I don't know which direction to dig that.
Just stick around.
I ain't moving closer to here.
Is this a cave? Is this a... Yes, I found a cave.
Where are we at?
Lily, you wanna come explore a cave with me?
Sure. I just need to make myself some stuff. Oh god.
Already found iron.
No, I can't find a freaking cave. I'm just gonna TP to you, Austin.
Okay.
My dog will jump on with me, right?
Wow, this is big. Holy crap.
Yeah.
The dog is so fun, dude.
Yeah. He's my protector.
Mine was. Hence the word
Meh.
was.
I have 11 iron.
Nice, I have 4. This is a tiny ass cave.
Oh no. 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 Okay. I had some major wagon.
Ooh, look at that coal. Lots of it. Oh. Hey, bro.
Which way did you come from? Did you come from down here?
Yeah.
Or
Oh, dang it. I got the wrong way too.
I'm going towards the darkness.
Yeah, it's usually what it's supposed to be. Is there anything over there?
I don't know. I'm George's.
Oh, okay, I got you.
I'm bringing torches.
No, I got him.
Not many,
yeah,
but
yeah,
I got
yeah,
some.
I only have 31. Embrace the darkness.
Oh god, how long has it been since you said that?
What, embrace the darkness?
Yeah.
Probably
How long has it been?
since I played
How long has
Nocturne.
it been since you played Nocturne?
Quite a while, actually. I played him on PvP, found out I sucked.
You played him a lot on PvP before you found out you sucked. Decided that you sucked.
Yeah.
You shot that stupid shadow thing way too much.
But the shadow thing was friendly.
No.
Watch out, dog. I want to hit you.
Don't make me hit you. I don't know where you guys went.
We're in a cave.
Yeah, but like...
You probably have to TP yours.
Yeah, probably. TP to Devonta. I'm in a hole.
Perfect.
I know you like holes and all, but... Really?
Yes.
Oh, I found some more iron.
No, my iron. My iron.
You don't know where I'm even at, do you?
No, I don't.
You're invisible.
You too.
We're right by the surface.
Well, yeah. This
Wasn't aware.
was just a hunt for iron, dude.
Oh, I know.
For iron and coal.
I see a dog. Oh, I see Devante.
I have 19 iron.
I have 3, I think.
Alright.
No, I put that in the chest.
I got 10. And I found more.
So I
A lot more,
Oh, I know where we are. Yeah, I saw this before. I just didn't do anything with it.
Here we are. Found you.